Well, look who's in our birdhouse. It's November 5th, 2011, and there's our little squirrel on top of the birdhouse. He loves the seed. We just threw a bunch of parrot seed in there. There he is right there. Cute little guy, sitting right on top of the roof, eating the sunflower seeds. I always throw the leftover parrot food in there because my parrot's very finicky. He's eating actually a corn kernel, it looks like.
He's cute.
Must be storing some, maybe. No, he's just eating it. That's the one I often film running up and down the trees. I think there's another one up in the tree.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh no, those are arbutus berries falling off the tree. Well, he's got a good supply of food in there, I'll tell you that. Is that good? Yeah, he's eating the corn kernels. And there's peanuts in there. And my bird usually loves to eat the safflower and the sunflower seeds. There might be a few sunflower seeds in there. A little bit closer. Just gotta watch the cats because they sit on that ledge right there sometimes. Wait for them. They've already killed one squirrel.
Which is sad.
Yeah, I know. I love those squirrels.